Lesson 5 just takes the point of rotation and moves it off the object. So it's taking the rotations and using it just a little bit more in depth. So we talked in lesson 4 about rotating the book and the need for the kids to rotate the book. And this is a really good example. So if we take a look at our point of rotation, it is right here at point P. Now, this is our image. This is our shape. So let me superimpose the actual class book. So this is the same image, or same page, just in the teacher's manual. So we're going to start off by rotating our book like this. So now when we take a look at this, our point of rotation is P, and we are looking at something that kind of looks like a flag. So we draw this dotted line to our shape. That's our shape. We draw a dotted line, and we look at it and go, okay, from the point of rotation P, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 units to get to the far corner, the far left-hand corner of that little flag. Well, if we rotate that a quarter turn, and we go from our point of rotation, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, we can put that point in right there. So that point there and that point there goes from our shape to our image. So let's go back to our shape. Within our shape, let me use a different pen here. If we want to take this point right here, we're going to go from our point of rotation, we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4 up, and 1, 2, 3 to the right. Okay, we rotate our book again, and we go 1, 2, 3, 4 up, and 1, 2, 3 to the right. So we go from this point on our shape to that point on our image. Again, going back here, we say our point of rotation. Let's go to the bottom left-hand corner. 1, 2 points up, or 2 units up. Rotate our book again, 2 units up. And the last one is easy. It's just 1, 2 units up, 1, 2, 3 to the right. 1, 2 units up, 1, 2, 3 to the right. And we've got our image. And it doesn't matter what it is, as long as you keep looking at it from straight on. So from straight on, we're designed to go vertically. There's our second one, designed to go vertically. So after the kids have got this dotted line, we erase the dotted lines and we go from our shape to our image with a 90-degree rotation. So this is what they're going to see in their book. And it says we can use tracing paper to find the image when we rotate a shape. So place the tracing paper so the top right corner is on point P, and we're going to go from there to there using tracing paper. So your kids are going to come home with tracing paper, and it's up to them. They need to show you what this looks like when they do this. So let's take a look at, to draw this shape, or to take this shape go from here, from point of rotation P. Let's take that shape and rotate it 1/4 turn clockwise. So our dotted line would go here. Whoops. Let's try that again. Our dotted line would go here. That is going to be the line we follow. So if we're rotating at a 1/4 turn clockwise, we're going to go there. And from point P of rotation, we go 2 units up, and there's our first point of the triangle. So we're going to go 2 units over. There's our first point on our triangle right there. So to go from point P to that, we're going to go 2 units up and 2 units left. In the image, we would go 2 units up, 2 units left. There we are. To go to this guy over here, we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units up and 2 to the left. On our image, we would go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units up and 2 to the left. And if we join up our lines, there's our shape and there's our image.